welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I want to show you how to make a 3D effect on Pixellab application. So without wasting our time, if you open your Pixellab, when you open your Pixellab, let's just type something. Let's type something that we are going to make as a 3D. So now we are going to change the font of this text. Let's change it to something nice. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so you are going to gain more something. So let's say that this is what we want to change to 3D effect. So now the next thing to do, let's change the background. I need to change the background of the working space. So let's change it to white. Then this is our text. Let's give it a color. Now we now scroll to this side. Scroll to this side. You are going to see 3D text. I think you can see this 3D text. You can see it. So just click on it. When you click on it, enable it. When you enable it, you will need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see light angle. This is light angle. Make sure you switch this light angle off. If you don't switch it off, your 3D will break if you save it. So make sure you switch it. So this is how it will be. But make sure you switch off of the light angle. So after that, you can just come to Y rotation. This is Y rotation. Just you can rotate it as you like. Then this X rotation. You can do it as you like. You can rotate it as you want. I think you can see it. Then after that, you can now come to stroke side. This is stroke. This is stroke. So enable it. When you enable it, you can now give it a white stroke. I think you can see it. So it depends about how you want it to big. You can increase it. You can also decrease it. So after that, you can now come to saddle side. This is saddle. This is saddle. Then click on it, saddle. When you click on it, just enable it. When you enable it now, you can now see blur radius. You can increase it to something like 36. Then scroll to offset Y. Then you can increase it like this. It depends about how you want it. I think you can see we are now getting our 3D text effect. So if you want to do 3D effect for shape also, this is text. So it's the same processing. If you want to do a shape, now let's use a shape to gain 3D effect also. Now come to the shape side. Let's bring one shape. So let's say this shape now. We want to turn it to 3D. So what we are going to do, just the same processing. Let's give it a color. Just give it the same color like this text effect. So now let's say this one I want to turn it to 3D effect. So the same processing, just come to this side. You are going to see 3D shape. This is 3D shape. Or you are going to click this 3D shape. When you click it, then enable it. Make sure you scroll down and switch off this light angle. So you see, as you can see, it's now enabled, but switch it off, so you disable it. So now you are now come to X rotation, then you can do it like this. I think you can see our X rotation. So then you can come to this darken area. You can dark it as you like. Then after that, come to the stroke side, enable the stroke. I think you can see the stroke. So it depends about how you want it to be. Then you can now come to saddle side. This is saddle. Enable the saddle. So I think you can see it. So just play around on it and see how the thing will be. This saddle. Then this 3D now, it depends about how you want it to long. If you want it this depth to high, you can just click here. Then you can see it, the effect. So you can rotate it as you like. This is X rotation and Y rotation. This you can rotate it like this. Then Y rotation also you can do it like this. Hope you get it. So that's how to gain 3D effect on Pixellab. So kindly subscribe to YouTube channel, so you are going to gain more valuable video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop the valuable video, you will be the first person to notice. So that's ending of this tutorial.